subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has finally launched its new 5G device under Reno series in China called Oppo Reno5 and Reno5 Pro. Both of these devices looks quite identical, but among these two, the Oppo Reno5 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno5 Pro features a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and a tall 92.1% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset paired with Mali G77 MC9 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the camera, the Oppo Reno5 Pro supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a squarish module that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP black and white sensor with f2.4 aperture. The quad-rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it also supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has an 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4350 mAh battery that supports 65 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos technology for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.7 by 73.2 by 7.6 millimeters and it weighs around 173 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo Reno5 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 3,399 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in Starfish Red, Moonlight Night, Aurora Blue and Galaxy into a Dream Color options. And the smartphone is set to go on sale starting from December 18th. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno5 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.